Want to know how to see your link sign-ins in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, seeing where you are signed in or where your linked sign-ins are in Lovable is super simple. So just simply open up your web browser, type in Lovable today and open up the Lovable website. So once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile if you have logged in. If you haven't, we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So you can just simply select it right here and head towards settings right here. So once you have selected settings right here on top, you can just simply scroll down and here you should be seeing your name on your accounts. Just simply select it and you can just simply scroll down until you see linked sign-in providers. So that you can also manage authentication. Here you can see your Google Play, that is primary. So you can also link up others by linking SSO as well. And that's it. This is how you see it usually. So it's by default should be Google, since our first one is usually Google. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.